Hey guys, it's Tim here, and today I'll be reviewing Leadsmate AI, which is a platform that will give you a ton of leads from Google, from brand new domains, also from LinkedIn and from Facebook. So you're going to get leads from 4 different platforms. Now, I have to say I'm impressed. I've also interviewed the creator of this platform. If you'd like to see that video, it's on my YouTube channel as well. In case you're interested, there's also a link in the description. It will redirect you to my website where you can find more information about the pricing, also some available bonuses that you're going to get if you pick this up through my link. So make sure to check that out. For now, let's dive into it. And let me show you how Leadsmate AI works. So like I said here, you will start by getting your leads from Google, from brand new domains, LinkedIn and Facebook. And let me go over them. But not only that, you will also be able to manage those leads, to run reports for those leads, and to contact those leads through the platform itself. Now, this is one by one, so you can reach out to a single person. But there's also an available upgrade, which is called Cleverly Box, that allows you to reach out in bulk through thousands of people. And also Flaxa Wapi, which is a WhatsApp service that allows you to reach out through WhatsApp. Now, in case you'd like to upgrade to Agency Enterprise, that means that you can become a premium reseller of Leadsmate AI as well. Let's first start by getting leads from Google. So you simply click on Google here, and then in the next screen, you can search for whatever keyword you would like to find leads for. So let's say you want to search a list for realtors. You simply type it in here, realtors, and then you type the location in here. So let's say we'll want to do New York here, New York, USA, and then the area you can say, let's say 25 kilometers here, and then you can search. And now it will give you a list of Google leads from realtors in the United States, in New York here. As you can see, you'll get all the details here. It's also giving you a score. So the lower a score, the better for you if you want to reach out to those leads to give your services. And you can see unclaimed domains on Google here as well. So here you can see the results. And when you go over the results, you will notice that most of those leads from Google will not have an email address. But that's not a problem because you can extract those email addresses later. Now let's say you have those 20 leads in here. If you want to have more leads, you can simply click on more here, and then it will extract more leads from the platform as well. Now, let's say we want to save those leads. Then what we're going to do here is we're going to select all the leads in here. And now we're going to add those leads to a leads manager. So I'm going to click plus here, and you can select your campaign in here. So I already did something for hair salons, but you can also create a new campaign. So let's say we want to do realtors. Then we're going to add this campaign. And now we're going to save the leads to the realtors. And as you can see, the leads have been saved to the leads manager that we can find here on the left side. So let's go to the leads manager and show the leads that we just collected. So inside of the leads manager, you can see the different campaigns here that you have created. So as you can see, for the hair salons, I already had 30 leads, total leads in here. And here it also shows you how many Google leads you have, how many Facebook leads, domain leads, and LinkedIn leads. So let's open the realtors list of leads. And let's extract the data. Now, as you can see here in this list, you can see there, this is the exact list that we just got from Google. Now, when we go back, you'll notice that here is a button which says extract data. Now, this is the realtors campaign, and we do not have email addresses, but we like to get email addresses from realtors. And when I click on extract data, it's starting to process a search operation that will search for the email addresses for your Google leads. And this is pretty unique because a lot of lead finding tools will give you Google leads, but not the email addresses. This tool is different because in the background, it's going to search for the email addresses from those leads, which is pretty cool. So when we go back here, it's processing, and this is going to take a couple of minutes, but when we refresh it, and there you go, you can see here, it now has completed the task here. You can rescan or view the logs, but you will notice that it now has searched for email addresses, and it found email addresses for several of the listings in here. So now it will load all the leads, the 40 leads. And as you can see here, for the first one, it found an email address so that you can reach out to this contact. Not all email addresses are available, but there are many here. You can see this one has many email addresses here. You can see here, this one has an email address in here. This one has multiple email addresses in here. This one has multiple email addresses. Here, this is an email address. This is an email address. So these are the email addresses that you can reach out to deliver your services. Now, you can also select the ones that have an email address. So let's say you want to have an email address here, and then you say, I want to save those as well. So you can simply select that. And when you go to the top here again, you can click on export to CSV, and now you've downloaded it to your computer as a CSV file as well. You can also filter here with different options. As you can see, these are the different filter options. So you could also say, I want to have every lead now that has an email address. You can sort by reviews with less than 4 stars or between 1 and 3, so you can reach out to those leads. And those are our Google leads. And you can see here, you also have Facebook leads and domain leads if we have added those to the campaigns. So this is how you go through a process. Now, after you have your leads, you can also run reports for your leads. So let's say we want to report here for Lily Tehran. So we go to the campaign here, realtors, and it will show the leads here. What I can do here is I can see the ones that have an email address here. I can scroll to the right side here, and I can say, I want to generate a report for this specific client. So when I select all, it will generate all these reports for me for this specific client. So when I click on generate report, it will start generating the claimed and unclaimed domains. It's going to check if the website is mobile friendly. All these other options it's going to check for here. And now it has a download button so that I can download the report. And this is what a report will look like. So you can see business profile here. You can see this is what's on their business profile. And you see all these information about the website first. You can see reviews that are people saying about this specific client. And then it says, is your business claimed or unclaimed? And here it says unclaimed success. The business is currently unclaimed and ready to be claimed. So you can do this for them. Also filled the importance of having a mobile friendly website. It does not have a mobile friendly website. Social media online presence. There are no video found on the website. Facebook pixel is missing on the page. An analytics pixel is missing on the page. Google markup schema is also missing. So you can see all these things are missing here on the website so that you can deliver those services to the client. Now you can do this yourself, or you can also outsource this for a web developer to do this for you. So you work with a web developer, but this is what you can send to this specific client. So you can run these reports. You will see the reports will be here, and then you can contact those leads. So when I click on contact leads in here, what you can do is, again, you can select the campaign. So let's say we have the realtors in here. And then we can show the leads of the realtors, in this case, the Google leads. And now what we can do here is we can say, for example, when we scroll to the right, we can say we want to send a message to this contact. So when I click on send message here, it will open a new window where I can send an email to this business. Now, inside of this email creator, you can select a category. So here you have social media services, slow websites, Google My Business, SEO services, mobile sites. So let's say you want to do mobile social media services. You simply select this category here, and now you can choose from those email templates. I can triple your Facebook fans with video. Your business needs video marketing. I got a business proposition for you. You need to throw video marketing into the mix. So here you have these templates. So for example, I can triple your Facebook fans with video. You can select this one, and now you will see that the email is ready here. Also, with all those placeholders that you're seeing right here are being added automatically to the email so that their name and their business name will be used inside of the email. You can see here to who you're going to send this email. You can see the subject in here, and you can also attach the GMB report if you like to attach your report. So first you need to to render that report, of course, before you can add this. But you can add that as well. You can also add a URL shortener if you have links in your email so that will be added. And once you're ready here, you can test and you can send this mail to this specific customer. Now, once you've done that and you go back to contact leads here, you can say, okay, I have contacted this lead. And when somebody has reached out or replied, you can also say this person is interested, for example. And now you have all your information ready on one place. You can go to the website here. So you can contact the leads directly from within this platform. Now also the email templates, when I click on email templates, you will notice the email templates that I just showed you are in here. So here are all the available email templates. You can see right now I have 31 email templates, but you can also create your own email templates. So when I click on create now, I can write my own email in here, as you can see, and I can also use AI to generate those emails for me. I can select a category. Of course, first I need to create categories in here, but this way you can make your own templates that you can send out to your leads that you have found here inside of the Google Leads. That was the first option that we just saw. Now, the contact leads here through the platform is one by one, as I just showed you in here. However, there are some upgrades. Like I said at the beginning here, when you go to Cleverly Box, you will have the option to use Cleverly Box to send out bulk emails from LeadsMate AI automatically to those contacts here. You will have your list, your campaigns. You have a one-click login where you can log into Cleverly Box. And in case you'd like to see what Cleverly Box is all about, make sure to watch my review. I've done both Cleverly Box and Flaxa Wapi. I did a full review of both those products. So if you search for Cleverly Box review Tim Verdouw, you will find it. And the same thing for Flaxi Wapa, which is a WhatsApp messaging service that is now integrated with LeadsMate AI, where you can send WhatsApp messages to those leads. Now, this is just the first thing that I showed you. The second option to find leads is domain leads. So domain leads are brand new domains that have been added recently, that people have registered recently so that you can reach out to deliver your services. And these are a ton of leads. So first you can choose here for your domain register. Now this always needs to load a little bit, this screen here. But personally, I like to search within all domain registers, right? What you can do here is you can select your country. So any country can be selected. So for example, if you are in Argentina, you want to have leads in Argentina, you simply select Argentina in here, and then you select the state that you want to have your leads, or you do not select a state, and you simply click on apply filter. And now you will get all the leads, all the brand new domain names from Argentina. And there you go. Here you have all the leads, as you can see here, from Argentina. And of course, you can niche this down, like I said, to specific states if you like to. But now you have all the new domains that are registered in Argentina. And the domain leads part here only shows you brand new domains that have an email address. So as you can see here, all those leads will have email addresses that you can reach out to. Now, I probably have to blur them out because YouTube does not allow me to show those leads, but these are all email addresses that you can reach out to. So again, you can select them all here and you can save them to a leads manager. So I can say Argentina domain leads like this, and I can say save, and now it has created a new campaign for me so I can reach out to those contacts. So as you can see here, when I scroll down here, it found over 11,000 brand new leads in Argentina. These are all brand new domain names registered. And you can check them out here. You can click on them to see what kind of domains they are. And yeah, all the information is in here. As you can see here, when I scroll over this, you can find all the information here. Next thing is domain leads. Now, this is also a very, very cool feature that allows you to find leads from a specific company. So as you can see here, I did this with a Dutch company, Coolblue, which is a big company in the Netherlands, an online shop, where they found 1,000 lead counts. I did the same thing for Amazon in here, where it found 1,000 email addresses from Amazon employees. So I can do exactly the same. So here you simply type your domain name. So let's say we want to do, let's say Walmart.com. We want to find employees from Walmart because we want to do business with them, and that's the cool thing. You can use this tool in so many ways. Like you can use it for yourself to reach out to leads. I also spoke with the creator and he actually needed a specific service. So he used this tool to find the service that he needed himself. So instead of reaching out to leads to sell your services, he used the tool to find services for himself. Now, as you can see here, it says it found leads successfully. And you can see here, we have 1,000 email addresses of Walmart. So when I open this, it will show you a list of leads from Walmart here. Check this out. Here, so we have John England here with email addresses. Here, these are all email addresses from Walmart. And you can see exactly when we go to the right here, first of all, you can see their social URL, but you can also see what they are here. So the description here, the job title, Senior Director, Product Development and Sourcing at Walmart, Head of Walmart, Spark Shop. So let's say you need to have a director, for example. You can simply search for director, and it will show you the list of the directors here. As you can see, it shows you the list here that you can reach out to those employees. So you can imagine that the LinkedIn feature is very powerful to get the right person. And again, you can save these leads as well. You can add them to your leads manager so that you can reach out manually here through the platform. You can contact the leads here through the email templates, or you can use Cleverly Box to build outreach to those people. So that's the LinkedIn feature. Very, very powerful in my opinion. Then the final one is Facebook leads, where you can find leads through Facebook. And this also works based on keywords. So you simply type a keyword here. So let's say we want to do realtor. We're going to search here and it's going to give us a full list of realtors from Facebook here. And again, you can save those leads. You can see the unclaimed here. You can see all the information and yeah, simply select all those, add them to a campaign, or you can export these as a CSV. And that's how you can do business. You can use this yourself to reach out to those customers, or you can sell your leads as a service. If people are searching for a specific niche, let's say someone is searching for realtors, for a list of realtors' email addresses, you can do it this way. You can export it and you can sell that to other businesses as well. Now then there's one final option that I want to show you here, which is the leads extractor here. So if you want to get leads from a specific website, you can simply add the domain in here. So let's say we want to do google.com. Not sure if this one will work. Oh, I see I cannot do that because it has an upgraded plan. So that's not in my current plan, but you basically should be able to add a website and it will extract the leads from this website. And that's basically what LeadsMate AI is all about. As you can see, it's a very powerful platform to get hundreds and thousands of leads that you can reach out through the platform, that you can reach out through Cleverly Box, which is the built-in or the connected email platform to send out bulk emails. You can use Fluxa WAPI to send WhatsApp messages to customers. And right now, this is all available, guys, for an introduction price. And if you're interested, check out the link in the description. Again, it will redirect you to my website where you can find more information about the pricing. There is a bundle deal available this time as well, so that you can get the front end plus all the available upgrades that is listed on my website for a one-time price. There's a coupon as well mentioned on my website that you can use to get $50 discount on that bundle as well. And for now, thank you so much for watching. If this was useful, please hit the thumbs up. It will help to rank my videos on YouTube. Also, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do so. I do a lot of product reviews similar to a product like this. And hit that notification bell so you get notified each time I upload a new review video. And for now, thank you so much for watching. And I hope to see you in my next video. Talk soon. Cheers.